This first lagoon is surging a little bit. I don't think I want to even drive through that. Look at it caving away.
It was a lot worse. It's now slowed down. It was surging a shitload more.
Might just wait here and cross it later.
That's what I've been thinking. I've been up since 4:30 trying to get to work, and everyone's been shit.
Neurodiversity refers to people whose brains have developed in a different way, allowing them to process information differently to what would be considered the societal norm or to what would be considered typical. The term neurodiversity was first coined in the 1990s by Australian sociologist Jodie Singer in an effort to give different language to describe neurodevelopmental conditions such as autism, dyslexia, or ADHD. This is Asher. He's 10 years old, and we've always known he's been a little unique. Asher is autistic with a global developmental delay. This means that Asher sees the world in a different way, but also he has some sensory and communication barriers. When Asher was younger, we found that when we took him into public, some of his actions were being misunderstood as poor behaviour, and in turn, some people reacted in a negative way. Some people even seemed to judge our parenting. We stopped enjoying our outings and stayed at home a lot. Needless to say, this wasn't the best for Asher or our family. Then something changed, and we started taking him to places where he can be himself in different environments. This gave birth to the belief that nature is a great therapy for him, and in turn allowed him to break down some barriers that he had. We like to do things a little bit different to some. We like to travel the lesser known roads, giving us a unique opportunity to enjoy things that can't be found by sticking to the normal roads. But when we find that special place to stop, we are always rewarded with a world of sensory delights, from the ground beneath our feet to nature's symphony all around us.
I like to think I provide for my children, but if I'm truly honest with myself, watching Asher enjoy these places really reminds me that wonder and awe still exist, and that the world has its simple pleasures, we just need to find them. Albert Einstein said, "He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe is as good as dead. His eyes are closed."